In April 2025, the Trump administration, through the Executive Office for Immigration Review, issued a memo that has sent shockwaves through the immigration law community. This memo allows immigration judges to dismiss legally deficient asylum cases without a hearing. This means that an individual's fate, their very right to seek refuge in the United States, could be decided solely on the basis of their written application. This policy change represents a significant departure from established norms in asylum processing. Traditionally, asylum seekers have had the opportunity to present their case before an immigration judge, to provide evidence, and to have their legal counsel argue on their behalf. This new directive effectively eliminates this crucial step, potentially leaving some of the most vulnerable individuals without a voice. The memo itself is short on specifics, leaving much to the discretion of individual judges. What constitutes a legally deficient application remains unclear, potentially opening the door for inconsistent and arbitrary decision-making. This lack of clarity is particularly concerning given the complexity of asylum law, which often hinges on nuanced interpretations of international treaties and legal precedents. The Trump administration defends this policy shift to address the growing backlog in immigration courts. With over 4 million cases pending, including 1.5 million asylum cases, the system is under immense strain. Critics argue the Trump administration's actions have worsened the backlog. The potential denial of due process rights for asylum seekers is concerning. The right to a fair hearing is a cornerstone of the American legal system. Eliminating this step denies a fundamental right to a vulnerable population. Without legal counsel, navigating asylum law is daunting. Misunderstandings and missed deadlines could lead to dismissal. The consequences could be dire, sending individuals back to face persecution. The Trump administration's fast-tracking of asylum cases has faced widespread condemnation. Ben Johnson calls it a blatant attack on asylum seekers' rights. He stresses the need for thorough and fair reviews. Kathleen Bush Joseph predicts a surge in case terminations. She highlights the difficulty of navigating the system. This policy change makes fair treatment nearly impossible. It fits into a larger pattern of restrictive policies. Trump's first term saw limits on asylum approvals and reduced refugee numbers. This move signals a bleak outlook for asylum seekers.